Good evening, everyone. This is Scott with PWWcards.com, Prestige Worldwide Sports and Cards. Getting ready to do another 3-box break of 2020 Panini Mosaic Football. This is Panini Mosaic Football 3-box break number 3. It is Friday, September the 25th. Here are 3 boxes from the case that we started a couple weeks ago. Thanks to everybody for getting the break. As always, if you want shipping insurance, signature confirmation, magnetic case, one touch for any of your hits, get that at pwwcards.com. Also, we have personal breaks on there, personal boxes, all kinds of stuff in there, so jump on that. We'll be doing those after our 4 eBay breaks tonight, but good luck to everybody. Here we go. That's right, Joe. Boats and hose. All right. Pack number 1. Fournette, Hunt, Jones, Cunningham. Oops, that one's stuck. No, that's Cunningham. Woods, Breeze, Collins. First Mosaic is a rookie, Laviska Shenault for the Jaguars. Going to Jacksonville, Philip N. Philip, congrats. That's coming to you. Let me do this up with Scotch. There we go. Philip. Then right after that, we have a Danny Dimes red going out to the Giants. Congratulations, Giants. Matt P. Matt, congrats on that Daniel Jones. Very nice. Blue Chips Nick Bosa insert. And then a Drew Brees montage mosaic going out to the Saints. New Orleans Saints, Scott C. There you go. NFL debut, Tua. Jalen Reagor, rookie. Troy Polamalu, and a Tua base. So a couple nice Tuas there for Miami. And Joe, there you go. Pack number 2, here we go. Stafford, Beasley, Johnson, Robinson, Bell, James Jr., Bettis, and then we have, how about this? A Jalen Hurts Prism Silver Mosaic rookie going out to the Eagles. Robert A. Congratulations on that. Very nice. And then behind that is a pink Devontae Parker for Miami. Joe S. Congrats, Joe, on that Devontae Parker. That was numbered 19 out of 49. 19 out of 49 there. Devontae Parker. Gardner Minshew montage, and then a Dan Marino center stage. Another card for Joe in Miami. Coming at you. Deshaun Watson Pro Bowl, Javon Kinlaw, Jonathan Taylor, and a Jake Fromm. Pack 3 from box number 1 coming at us. Tony Gonzalez, Ezekiel Elliott, Kevin King, Thielen, Wagner, Kamara, Allen. First up from this pack is a Warren Sapp for Tampa Bay and Ian. There you go. After that, we got a red Tre'Davious White. Red Tre'Davious White from Buffalo, Peter R. You're so high. All right, well, enjoy the ride, my friend. Brett Favre, Stairmasters, Von Miller, Man of Mastery, Jerome Bettis, McFarland Jr., Jalen Reagor, and a Devin Duvernay base. Kid reporter there on the bottom. Montgomery, Brunell, Landry, Ryan, Wentz, Metcalf. There's our first auto. It's a James Captain Morgan rookie autograph for the New York Jets. Philip N. Philip, congrats on that James Morgan. That's coming to you. Congrats. After that, we have a Miles Sanders Silver and a TJ Watt Pro Bowl Red. Very nice. Pretty cool card there for Pittsburgh. And Jimmy L. Nice TJ Watt Pro Bowl red. Introductions, Henry Ruggs. And then we got a Gardner Minshew Stairmasters Mosaic. Very nice, going out to the Jags. And Philip N. Okay, now. True, very true. Aikman, Gibson, TJ Watt, and Jalen Hurts. Pack 5, Box 1. Cortland Sutton, John Brown, Deshaun Watson, McCourty, McLaurin, Darnold, and Williams. Then we have a DJ Chark for the Jaguars. Jags, that's going to be Philip N. again. Jags are hitting about as well as Miami. And speaking of Miami, how about a red Zach Thomas? Joe S. There you go. Zach Thomas, red. Jared Goff, and then how about, oh, look at that. Pat Mahomes, stained glass. Boom. Going out to Kansas City, Joe S. Joe, there you go, my friend. Pat Mahomes, mosaic, or stained glass. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Chenault, Tom Brady MVP, and Clyde Edwards-Helaire base. Very nice. Tre'Davious White, Carlos Hyde, Smith, Kelsey, Garoppolo, Rudolph, Alstott, NFL debut, Edwards-Helaire, silver, going to KC and Joe S. Then a blue, Drew Brees, going to the Saints, Scott C. 12 out of 99 on that one. Adrian Peterson, and then an overdrive, James Conner, very nice. That's going to Pittsburgh and Jimmy L. Jimmy, congratulations on the James Conner overdrive. Justin Herbert, Justin Jefferson, Brian Urlacher, and Justin Herbert again. Very nice. Witten, Ingram, Hawkinson, Hill, Jacobs, Sanders, Ramsey. Then they got a Cameron Jordan for the Saints. Again, New Orleans is Scott C. Then a red Clyde Edwards-Helaire going out to KC and Joe S. Joe Burrow introductions. Christian McCaffrey, Russell Wilson, AJ Terrell, Cam Akers, and Jeff Okudah. Chark, Prescott, Ridley, Johnson, Samuel, Riggins, Adams. Then we have a silver Jalen Ramsey. And then a red Darren Waller for the Raiders. Vegas Raiders, Mark R. Mark, congrats. Darren Waller. Juju Smith-Schuster, Stairmasters. And then a Men of Mastery. It is a Peyton Manning going out to the Colts. Indy is Russell S. Russell, congrats on that Peyton Manning. Right after that, how about a Brett Favre in it to win it for the Green Bay Packers? Joe S. Congrats, man. That's coming to you. Bradshaw, Morgan, Chase Young, and Evans. All right, 2 packs still to go. At least in this first box. Edmonds, Watt, Fuller, Cup, Woodson, Cook. There's our next auto. It's a Bob Lilly. A little Hall of Fame autograph for the Dallas Cowboys, Anthony C. Anthony, congratulations on the Bob Lilly Mosaic auto. Dak Prescott, also for Dallas, Anthony C. A red Carlos Hyde going out to Houston. Oliver C. Congratulations, Oliver, on the Carlos Hyde. That's coming to you. Lamar Jackson, Men of Mastery. Steve Young, Keshawn Vaughn, Calais Campbell, and J.K. Dobbins. Finish us out for this pack. All right. Len Dawson, Vander Esch, Jackson, Butkus, Chancellor, Cook, Ngakoue, Mark Ingram, silver, and then a Jalen Hurts red rookie. Very nice. Going out to Philly, Robert A. Congrats, Robert. That's coming to you. John Elway montage. Mike Evans, Stairmasters, Jerry Jeudy, Cole Kmet, Peyton Manning, and T. Higgins. Finish out box number 1. On to box number 2. We do have Mosaic in our store, pwwcards.com. So if you want more Mosaic football, check us out there. Box 2. Jerry Rice, Brady, Martin, Elliott, King, Montgomery, Brunell. Then a Stephon Diggs for Buffalo. Buffalo's going to be Peter R. Peter, congrats. Stephon Diggs Mosaic. Then a red Mosaic of Randy Moss. Minnesota is Robert M. Robert, congrats. That's coming to you. J.J. Watt, and then a Peyton Manning Mosaic montage going out to Indianapolis. Russell S. Russell. Black Mosaic, not yet, man. You? Brady, Edwards-Helaire, Burrow debut, and a CD Lamb base. Not seen the black yet. Not in person, at least. Goff, Garoppolo, Rudolph, Allstott, Landry, Ryan. Then we got a Michael Pittman Jr. rookie auto going out to the Indianapolis Colts and Russell S. Taylor and Stafford, nice. Then we got a silver Terry Bradshaw Hall of Fame, and then a pink Leighton Vander Esch going out to the Dallas Cowboys and Anthony C. Anthony, congratulations. Pink Vander Esch is numbered 23 out of 49. 23 out of 49. It's a nice one. Julian Edelman montage. And then how about this? A Josh Allen center stage going to Buffalo. Peter R. That's coming to you. Jim Kelly, Chase Young, Kenny Golladay, and a C.J. Henderson. Taysom Hill, Jacobs, Sanders, Sutton, Brown, Watson, and Tillman. Then we have a Jerry Jeudy, nice NFL debut. Mosaic going out to Denver. Anthony C. Getting Denver on the board. Then we have a Tyler Boyd red going out to Cincinnati. Russell S. Yeah, I haven't seen those either. Michael Thomas, Leonard Fournette, J.K. Dobbins, Johnson, Green, and Jacob Eason base. Ramsey, Samuel Riggins, Adams, Mahomes, Hopkins, Davis. Silver, Charles Woodson. Then a Lamar Jackson Pro Bowl red. Very nice. Going out to Baltimore, Anthony C. After that, we got a Jimmy G montage. Stairmaster Mosaic of Randy Moss for Minnesota, Robert M. coming your way. Eason, Moss, Irvin, and Dylan finish out this pack. Cooper Kupp, Woodson, Cook, Allen, Adams, Mack, Minshew, Jamal Adams for the Jets. Not really anymore, but at least in this set. Philip on the board again. Richard Sherman, red Mosaic for the 49ers. San Fran is Kyle R. Kyle, that's yours, man. Keenan Allen, blue chip. Oh, look at this. A Russell Wilson stained glass. Back-to-back boxes with stained glass. There's a Russell Wilson for Seattle. Michael W. Go along with the Mahomes stained glass we got in the first box. Cousins, Akers, Hurts, and Taylor. Making the turn on the back nine. Chancellor, Cook, Ngakoue, Cunningham, Garrett, Lindsey, Hicks. Then we have a silver Calvin Johnson. Peyton Manning, red, going out to Indy. Russell S. McCaffrey, introductions, Herbert, Mahomes, MVP, Love, and Justin Jefferson and Jerry Jeudy. Round out that pack. Yeah, it'd be nice if they're all numbered, but Woods, Breeze, Collins, Singletary, Esiason, Fitzgerald, and then our next auto is Rodney Hampton, another throwback. This is for the Giants. Matt P. Matt, congrats on the Rodney Hampton Mosaic auto. It's coming to you. Then we got a Christian Kirk Mosaic going out to Arizona. Richard J. Richard, congratulations. It's coming your way. Lynn Bowden Jr. red going out to the Raiders. Mark R. Jones, and then a Brian Urlacher Men of Mastery, not number, but that's going to the Chicago Bears. Robbie A. Robbie, congratulations on the Urlacher. Sanders, Burrow, Smith, and Murray. Kenneth Murray. Bell, James, Bettis, Thielen, Elway, Thomas, Jones. And then how about this? A Jeff Okudah silver rookie going out to the Lions. Detroit is Drew M. Drew, congrats on that silver rookie. Okudah. Then a blue Russell Wilson going to Seattle. Michael W. That's 31 out of 99. Congrats. Russell Wilson, and an overdrive Philip Lindsay going out to Denver. Anthony C. Anthony. A.J. Dillon, Isaiah Simmons, Smith, and Gandy Golden. Spreading the love around. Wagner, Kamara, Allen, Burns, Saturday, Beckham, Jones. Then a rookie Mosaic going out to Baltimore, Anthony C. Darius Slayton, red for the Giants. It's going to be Matt P. Matt, congrats. Jerry Rice, Montage, AJ Green, DeAndre Swift, P. Ryan, Elway, and Edwards round out that pack. Wentz, Metcalf, McCourty, McLaurin, Miller, Mack, Eifert. There's a silver Marshawn Lattimore. Then a Luke Kuechly red going out to Carolina. Dustin S. Eli Stairmasters. And then an Introductions Mosaic. Jerry Jeudy for Denver. Anthony C. Congrats to you. Thomas, Mims, Ruggs, and Claypool. All right, that does it for box number 2. On to box number 3, last box. Good luck to everybody again. Thanks for breaking with us. We do appreciate it. As always, if you would like shipping, insurance, signature confirmation, or a magnetic case one-touch, you can get that at pwwcards.com. That's pwwcards.com. We also got breaks, some other things up there as well. Jones, Burns, Saturday, Donald, Kittle, Peterson, and then our first auto right on top, Darrington Evans for the Tennessee Titans. Dustin S. Congrats. That's coming to you. Then an Allen Robinson for the Bears, Robbie A. But a red Keenan Allen for the Chargers, Robert E. Pat Mahomes, Montage, Stairmasters, Dak, Zach Moss, Michael Irvin, A.J. Dillon, and Kirk Cousins. We had a gold Pat Mahomes last break. What was that? Was it the Meta-Mastery or Stairmasters? One of those. Beckham, Jones, Miller, Mack, Sapp, Jordan, Mariota. There's a silver Carlos Hyde for Houston. Then a Teddy B, red Teddy B going out to Carolina. Dustin S. Rodgers. Then a, look at that, a Kyler Stairmaster Mosaic going out to Arizona. Richard J. It's coming out to you. Akers, Hurts, Taylor, and Mahomes MVP. Eifert, Murray, Locke, Ertz, Falk, Rice, Brady. Kirk Cousins Pro Bowl Mosaic going out to Minnesota. Minnesota's Robert M. Cole Kmet, NFL debut, red going out to Chicago, Robbie A. Thielen Montage, and then after that a center stage, Kyler Murray. Another Kyler Murray going out to Richard J. That's coming to you. Cool design there on the center stage. Jordan Love, Justin Jefferson, Jerry Jeudy, and Barry Sanders finish off that part. Judon, Favre, Bridgewater, Vinatieri, Martin, Goff, Garoppolo. There's a nice Chase Young debut, silver, going out to Washington. Mike C. Mike, congrats. That's coming to you. LT, legendary, red, going out to the Giants. Matt P. Josh Jacobs, Myles Garrett, Joe Burrow, Harrison Smith, Kenneth Murray, and A.J. Dillon finish off that pack. Pack 5 of box 3. Oops. Chubb, Kirk, Diggs, Rudolph, Allstott, Hill, and Jacobs. John Riggins Mosaic going out to Washington. Mike C. Then we've got a Brett Favre red going out to Green Bay. Joe S. TJ Watt montage, and then behind that a Calvin Ridley Mosaic blue chip for Atlanta. Scott C. Congrats on that one. Simmons, Smith, Gandy Golden, and Swift. Finish off that pack. Hilton, Green, Jones, Staubach, Sanders, Ramsey, and then our next auto, how about this? It is CeeDee Lamb. Boom! Nice hit there for the Cowboys. Anthony C. CeeDee Lamb, Mosaic auto, not numbered. Wentz silver, then a blue Taysom Hill. That's numbered 50 out of 99, going out to New Orleans. Scott C. AJ Green. Oh my goodness. How about this? A Tom Brady stained glass. 3 stained glass out of 3 boxes. This one is Tom Brady going out to Tampa. And ING. There you go, my friend. Another sick stained glass. Pirine, Elway, Edwards, and Thomas. Tommy boy. Quit playing with your dinghy. Brown, Nelson, Peppers, Samuel, Riggins, Adams, Cup. Andre Johnson for Houston. Mosaic. Houston is Oliver. Congrats. Gabriel Davis, rookie red for Buffalo. Peter R. That's coming to you. Mahomes, Minimastery, Introductions, Tua, Denzel Mims, Ruggs, Claypool, and Lamar Jackson, MVP. Freeney, Mayfield, Sanders, Kuechly, Woodson, Cook, Chancellor, Roquan Smith, silver, Eddie George, red for the Tennessee Titans. Yes, Eddie. The man, the myth, the legend, Eddie George for Tennessee, and Dustin S. That's yours. Congrats. Larry Fitz montage, and then a montage of Calvin Megatron Johnson. Detroit, Drew M. There you go. Swift, Love, Ayuk, and Moss finish off this pack. Eddie George, yeah, he was a beast. Manning, Boyd, Matthew, Cook, Ngankwe, Cunningham, Woods, AJ Dillon, rookie Mosaic, going out to Green Bay. Joe S. Joe, congrats. We got a Matt Judon, red for Baltimore. And Anthony C. IO. Julian Edelman. And then what is this? A Saquon Barkley stained glass. Look at that. 2 stained glass, 1 box. Boom. Going out to the Giants. No ACL in this picture, but Ruggs, Andrews, Queen, and Claypool. All right, last pack. Good luck, guys. Smith, Andrews, Rogers, McCaffrey, Breeze, Collins, Bell, Terry Bradshaw, silver, Jerry Rice, Hall of Fame red, going out to the 49ers. San Fran is Kyle R. Kyle, congrats. Emmett Minimastery, Khalil Mack, Derek Brown, Jerry Rice, Gabriel Davis, and Cole Kmet. All right, guys, that does it for the break. We'll get these sorted and shipped out. If you have any questions, let us know. Appreciate you breaking with us. Hope you have a good night, a great weekend. Peace.